both of you chubby girl. So vlog is continue.
Sule vlog. My name is Rinzi and we work together in same store. I am from Bhutan.
Hello guys, this is our exercise. This is our dolphin. This is the small shop for the dolphin park. Brother. So guys, I take the water. Here today our first day. We already tired, right? Yes. So still it will take time. How many minutes, Didi? When we reach the is already Bhutan. So many people there. She's talking actually. You are talking Nepali also, right?
Yes.
So I am trying to. We are starting the English blog. Hello. Welcome to Sule blog. Today our new day, new blog is starting already. So today we are going on evening walk with sister. So you know me already guys, that today we are talking about the English. So she is my friend or sister. She is from Bhutan. So can you give me introduction, sis, if you don't mind?
Hi, my name is Rinzi.
Okay.
So we work together in same store.
Okay.
I treat her like a little sister.
Okay. Then anything else? So how many minutes it will be take time for the
Maybe
hearing?
10 minutes maximum.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's really camera is showing very blur. Maybe that side is already black. There is no light right there. That's why. Because really we are very fat. We walk together. Then we thought today we are going the evening walk. So let's go. My vlog is continue. So stay tuned, guys. So this is the way we are going from their park. What is the park name, sister? Which park we are going on now?
Dolphin park.
Dolphin Park. So many people already know about the Dolphin Park. So now we are climb here. See, this is our Boran view. So now we are going from there to that place. You can see the view from night view. This is our Dolphin Park. So you can come anytime and visit. So this is the place to jogging this area. So this is our Dolphin Park. So we are going on flyover bridge. See our view. Oh my god, really good. So we are both of you chubby girl. So vlog is continue. So when we reach there, so what is we are doing, we are all sharing with you guys. So really this is the very good place. Oh my god, view is very nice. Sister, see, view is very nice. So now we are going evening walk. See? Oh my god, view is very nice, huh, sister? So you have any question? So you can share us our YouTube family, sister.
Yes, hi. Sule vlog. My name is Rinzi and we work together in same store. I am from Bhutan. So as of now, we two are going for work, evening walk. Actually today we have same shift, morning shift.
Okay.
So we are going now evening jogging.
Evening
That's
jogging.
all. We will enjoy.
So stay tuned. So we are showing all of you what we will do there. We are sharing with you guys. So let's see. Then you can enjoy our Boran view. Then we are going with Dolphin Park. Many people already visit there, right? So if you have any comment, so you can ask us. So we are never mind, right? Then so I will show you. There is the view, whatever in the Dolphin Park, I can share with you guys. So you know already we are from Nepal. So then English is not good, right? So we are trying to give you how I talk. So if you don't mind, It's okay, right? It's okay, my sister. How I talk by the way English.
Yeah, okay. No
Okay.
problem.
So really not good. So try makes a man perfect, right? So if you try, it will be better, right, Didi?
Yes.
Anything to tell us, or
That's all.
that's all? So continue the vlog. So stay tuned. So if you friend or guys, you can see we are already starting from the dolphin park. So here is already kids, they are playing there. If you really somebody is coffee lover, right, so you can come then enjoying here. See, there is all the coffee, and you can find the now almost now summer season, right, sister?
Yes.
So you can enjoy the drinks. There is refresher, which one is orange juice, then anything you can find. These people, they are all the people, they are jogging here. So not only for us maintain your body, right?
Yes.
Hello guys, now I'm playing some activity for the kids. See? Oh my god, really, I'm enjoying. So guys, now I'm playing here. Hello sister. Okay, maybe this one is for kids, huh? Not it? How this is the view of Dolphin Park. So we are running. So sister is, see, you can see she is same like a jogging. She wearing everything. For me, I didn't wear, only I wear slippers. Then I thought, we'll go nearby our room. So when she is telling me, so we'll go to the Dolphin Park, it's fine for me. So I'm from Blaze, then I can walk, right? More it's fine. I like to walk because before we are from not city, right? My home is not from city, sister. Now when I go back Nepal, really hard because here is only the 9 hours duty. See, you can see the tree, right? More. What is the benefit if there is too much tree, sister?
Yeah, like if you go under too much tree, like you will know the differences actually. Like we will have more of oxygen than that of carbon dioxide, and
Okay.
it's very good for our breathing. Moreover, we enjoy the greenery, right? Sule?
Okay, yes, where I like the actually green, right, for the trees. That's why I came here because I like to walk also. See, but sister have already too much sweats. For me, I don't know. But people, they are telling that if there is too much sweats, maybe your husband is loving. That is true.
I don't know that one.
But really for me, there is no more sweats. I walk more. See, you can see the difference from her or me. See, for me still not coming sweats. So
I'm
yeah,
sweating like hell.
really blur camera is because there is some place there is no lights. That's why blur. But really guys, I don't know the name from these things. So if you know the name, then please comment. I forget the name. So if you like to play these things, you can come Dolphin Park, see view of Dolphin Park. See people, they are doing the exercise, playing the badminton, really good. If there is more tree, if there is more tree, it will be better, right?
Yeah.
For
More
the
oxygen.
more oxygen you can find
Yeah.
from the tree, right?
Yes.
Oh. Just do, Didi, do, continue. Do, not like that.
I'm scared, no?
No need to be scared.
No.
Really not scared. Go from there, this
No, no, no.
bicycle. What happened?
It's okay.
This is our exercise. So I want to sleep, maybe that's why not working, sister. So if you guys, if you want to come down in park, then here is some exercise also. It's really hard to, if you wear the sleepers, very hard, because I'm thinking I need to go to another park. But actually I came here. No need to go gym, guys. You can come here, the internet of children. Really, that's not. I cannot do. That is really. This is very hard to do because with slippers. Think it's. This is our outfit of the day with slippers. It's fine, guys. You can see people, they are doing exercise. See, people are there walking more. Oh my god. So now we are in the last place, right, Didi? Now
Almost we are reaching there.
almost reaching there. So it will be take time now 5 minutes.
Or 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah,
Still
it's
to
very down
oh, really?
to the last end, yes.
Oh,
But we
okay.
will come from here, the Starbucks. We will
okay.
try around from this. Here it's coming very nice.
Yes, camera is now very nice because some places there is no right light. That's why floor is coming. So how long we already walk, sister?
4 kilometers plus.
4 kilometer. So really good, you know. We guys, we are sharing about the dolphin park. Then I saw the views also, whatever we are doing. But actually we don't like the exercise. It's okay to walk, right? So if you have time, you can come then enjoying the dolphin park, right? So this is my key also because I need to take the key also. Guys, maybe they are thinking, you know, what is the sound of this thing? So see, all the people they are coming the morning, not morning, what that one is. Now we are doing the evening walk, right? So this is our view. See, you can see the view, this park. Oh my god, really. So when we walk here, how is the feels, Didi? How is
I feel like I lose my lots of weight.
okay?
Just my
That is the
thinking.
you're thinking.
Yeah, but I feel good, something lighter, you know, because I'm sweating like hell. I feel better.
Because we take the just now rice also we eat, right?
Yes.
Then if you walk more, then it will be you feel light also in your stomach, right?
Yes.
If you not happy,
Yeah.
that is
Going home, just taking shower
then.
and sleeping.
So today we have morning duty actually.
Yeah.
You know, we are came from the abroad country. Then we are talking about some people they are don't know about the. Actually, we are talking from Bahrain. Okay, guys. So we know our country is Nepal. This country is already Bhutan. So many people there. She's talking actually. You are talking Nepali also, right?
Yes.
So I am trying to talk English today. I meet her. She have more than me talking very good. So that's why I am telling her today let's start with our English. No need to talk Nepali, right? But she know well English. So maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can make the blog Nepali, right, Didi? So today we are starting the English blog. Let's enjoying, guys. So you can know about the something, you know, if you really walk there is very good for your health. So stay tuned, guys. This is the small shop for the dolphin park. Brother, can you give me water? So I will take the water. I'm very thirsty. So guys, I take the water. So then I will give to my sister. She is very tired. Then she is sitting there. So maybe she like cold water or normal. I take 2 bottles of water. Then I need to keep. So now we'll go back home. We are taking some time rest. Then we will drink the water. Water is really very important to the health. So let's see. So when we start the vlog, but there is the flyover bridge. So I will go there. Then I need to stop my video is ending video is there. So I will give to her you know. I will give to her drinks. So which one you like to drink? Chill. She is, you can see her face. She is very tired. So very hot, right? So we can enjoying the water. Then we will go home, right? So almost we are taking the time is 2 hours. Too much work. Then really we are tired. So we are drinking. So let's stay soon, guys. So I will take the water. Now enjoying?
Yes.
So guys, I know you are really maybe you are boring, right? So I make you some fun. So I know the English song, which one is baby come down, come down. What other one? I don't know. So that one is the song I am enjoying. If you find yourself, baby come down, come down. So guys, finally we are long walking. So we need to end our vlog now. This is we are again going home. This is the flyover bridge. So we are going home now. Actually we are really tired, too much tired. So now I want to end my vlog here. So you need to tell anything, sister? How is the today evening walking? How is the today evening walking? Huh? How is the today evening walking?
It's a bit tiring, but we did it.
Right? So finally guys, I want to end my vlog. Keep loving, keep supporting, and if you're not doing the like and subscribe, you can support me. So stay healthy, right? So take care yourself. So I will end my vlog from here. So thank you so much guys for your watching. So if you have any comment, you can tell me. Thank you for your support. Bye bye guys. So I will make my vlog is continue if I have time. So I will do my best. If you have any question or if you have any comment, you can go my comment box, you can tell me. So finally guys, I will end my vlog. Thank you so much for your watching.